everyone, welcome back to another video. My friends, this is the urgent update of the Shiba Inu token. Do this before July month. As you know, today is the last day of the June month, and now in the last day of the June, the Shiba Inu start explosion. The Shiba Inu price start moving upwards. So absolutely, my friends, now I have a important advice for all of you. Please do this before July if you want to really profit from a Shiba Inu token. So keep watch this video complete, my friends, and please I request everyone to please click the subscribe button, also like this video, my friends. Absolutely, if you subscribe ABS Tech channel, if you follow ABS Tech channel, so the day is very soon the cryptocurrencies will make you millionaire if you follow ABS Tech channel. So my friends, at this time the latest price of the Shiba Inu token in the market is 0.00009 USD dollar. That is the currently price of the Shiba Inu token. Furthermore, if we talk about the market cap, 24 hours trading volume, available supply, total supply, so every change is going positive in the Shiba Inu token in the last of June. So in the last of June, the Shiba Inu start explosion, start jumping. So absolutely, in the previous time, you can see here in the start of June, the price of Shiba Inu token is going fast down. But now in the end of June, they start explosion. So absolutely, that's not a temporary jump. That's not a temporary pump of the Shiba Inu token. Absolutely, they continue this pump for 2 weeks, for 3 weeks. Maybe there's a possibility to they continue this pump for 1 month. And you know what, my personal opinion, my personal recommendation for all of you is that please buy more and more Shiba Inu token. If you want profit, buy more and more. The price of Shiba Inu token is very low, and other side you can see here the whole Chinese token, the Shiba token is positive, my friend. So that is why I recommend for everyone that in the July month there is a possibility, there is a chances to the Shiba Inu token will take a huge pump, and I'm sure that they'll take a huge pump. That is why I really recommend for everyone to please buy more and more Shiba Inu token. Remember that I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to buy, sell or hold any cryptocurrency, so please do your own research. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.